Hi guys, yeah, sorry for the quick cut off there in part one. Had a bit of a child issue, let's say, with that one, trying to come and interfere with the video, so I had to end it quickly there. But I just thought I'd quickly start again. It was going to be a two-part series, but it now is, so sorry for that. But yeah, as I was saying, I dose Kalkwasser in terms of obviously maintaining element in the tank. I'd dose Kalkwasser in the kind of the top upper unit that comes with the system. Works well for me. I use about 1 tablespoon for every 25 litres of water. It's not a lot, but because this is only a softy tank with a couple of LPS with very few corals in, as you can see at the moment, that keeps enough calcium and alkalinity in my tank. Just while we're talking about calcium and alkalinity, I keep my alkalinity between 7 and 8, and my calcium anywhere between 420 and 440, which is absolutely fine for a kind of a low level reef tank with just soft corals and some number of LPS. The only other additional elements that I use for this tank are these made by Salifert. I've always used these products mainly because they are in the cheaper end of the market, and again for the reasons as before, because I only keep soft corals, there's no need to buy the really expensive trace element stuff. And again, I only use these three as a bit of a supplement to the Kalkwasser really. So the coral calcium I'll use quite sporadically. My Kalkwasser, like I said just before, keeps my calcium nice and stable, so I don't really use that often. The Trace Soft, this is a Trace Soft product which is designed for soft corals. It contains things like iron and manganese and a few other trace elements that are kind of quite relevant to soft corals. So I dose that once a week, I think about 7 ml. And then the liquid magnesium, obviously that's the one product that is part of the major elements that you don't get with Kalkwasser. So I dose that manually again once a week, about 5 to 7 ml depending on the magnesium uptake of the tank. My magnesium level is staying steady at about 1300 parts per million. So yeah, like I said, not a lot to the tank really. Dosing once a week with 2 or 3 products, Kalkwasser mixed in with my RO, and that kind of is it really in terms of like keeping everything stable. I do water changes on this tank roughly about